Thinking about studying in Canada in 2026? Great choice. But before you can pack your bags and book that flight, you will need one very important thing, a study permit. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire application process step by step. So, you know exactly what to do and what mistakes to avoid. First, let's clear up some confusion. What's the difference between a study permit and a student visa? Well, a study permit is a document that allows you to stay in Canada as a student. A student visa, on the other hand, is the travel authorization that lets you enter Canada. Now think of this visa as your ticket to enter and the study permit as your permission to stay and study. Now, who is eligible? You need an LOA from a DLI, which stands for Designated Learning Institution. You also need to show proof of funds to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and return transportation. And don't forget your clean record and medical exams if required. So, how do you apply? Step 1. Gather your documents such as LOA, proof of funds, valid passport, photos, and any other supporting documents. Step 2. Submit your application online through a visa application center. And step 3. Biometrics and possibly a medical exam. And finally, wait for your decision. There are a few common mistakes that you need to avoid, such as, submitting incomplete documents, underestimating required funds, or applying to a school that's not on the DLI list. Double check everything before you hit submit. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you don't have to do this alone. Connect Canada is here to guide you through every step of your study permit journey. Book a personalized consultation with us today using the link in the description.